Hello, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you'd like to add, for example, Tesco Poland. Scan your card or enter member ID manually. In the end, let's select Gift Card and, similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.